Virtual Workshop Explained. Enhance your digital learning. Hello everyone, and welcome to our new video. Today, we're diving into the world of digital learning by exploring what a virtual workshop is all about. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply curious, understanding this concept is key in today's tech-driven world. Let's unravel the meaning together. In this section, we'll break down the phrase virtual workshop into two parts. Firstly, virtual refers to something that exists online or in a digital environment, rather than in a physical space. Think of virtual reality, where everything happens inside a computer. Secondly, a workshop is a type of interactive meeting or class where people engage in discussions and activities, often to learn a new skill or to solve a problem. So, when combined, a virtual workshop is an interactive educational session that takes place over the internet, often through video conferencing tools like Zoom or Skype. Virtual workshops have several distinct features. 1. Interactive. Participants can ask questions, discuss, and participate in activities. 2. Accessible. They can be joined from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. 3. Flexible. Often, they are recorded, allowing for asynchronous viewing. 4. Collaborative. They encourage group activities and networking, despite the physical distance. Understanding these features helps to grasp the full potential of virtual workshops. Virtual workshops offer numerous benefits. Cost-effective. They often require fewer resources than in-person workshops. Convenience. No need to travel. You can learn from the comfort of your own home. Variety. Access to a wide range of topics and experts from around the globe. Inclusivity. More accessible for people who might have difficulties attending physical workshops. Like any format, virtual workshops have their challenges. Technical issues. Ensure a stable internet connection and familiarize yourself with the technology beforehand. Engagement. Keep sessions interactive and include breaks to maintain attention. Communication barriers. Use clear language and visual aids to enhance understanding. We hope this video has shed light on what a virtual workshop is and how it can be a powerful tool in the realm of digital learning. Whether you're looking to learn a new skill, connect with experts, or engage with a global community, virtual workshops offer a world of possibilities. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore this exciting digital landscape.